Hey everybody, Brandon Simmons here. Just wanted to come to you, and I am in beautiful Provo Canyon in Utah, just at the bottom of Sundance Ski Resort. This is a beautiful area. Met my beautiful wife over here. A lot of things have changed. I had a lot of jobs. I was flipping burgers when I met my wife. Okay, met her at the place called the Malt Shop over 20 years ago. Now we have 2 kids, and life is much different than it was when we first met. But the reason why I'm making this video, not to just reminisce, but it's pretty cool, is I wanted to talk to you guys about the 3 secrets to sales that I found out. These 3 secrets has helped me run businesses with $1 million revenue streams. Okay, secret number 1 is follow-up. A lot of us don't like making those follow-up calls. A lot of times it's hard to get people on the phone. I'm in the real estate wholesale business, so when we're dealing with sellers, we have to make a lot of phone calls. We have to try to get them on the phone. We're playing phone tag, leaving voice messages, doing text messages, sending emails, trying to get a hold of these leads. But secret number 1 is follow-up. Secret number 2 is pretty much the same. Follow-up. That's right. In fact, in the business that I ran when I was working with Sean Terry, 65% of all of our closed deals came from, you guess it, follow-up. In fact, between 8 to 12 touches, according to statistics, it does take about 8 to 12 touches to get someone, 5 to 12 to close a deal. So that's secret number 2. Secret number 1, follow-up. Secret number 2, follow-up. Can you see where I'm going with this? Secret number 3. Secret number 3 is follow-up. So some of you think that, oh, I called them once, I called them twice, it's enough. No. Follow up. I would tell my leads managers all the time, hit the list. Meaning, send them another ringless voicemail, send them another text message, send them another email. If you're trying to sell properties, hit the list. Send out another text message, send out another voice message, send out another email. Follow up, follow up, follow up. You need to be relentless. Do not stop. Keep going. Kind of reminds me of this little river right here. Check this out. I've always seen water going down this. I've never seen it dry, and it hasn't snowed for months. And look, the water keeps coming. It's relentless. Okay, so you need to be relentless in your follow-up. Follow-up, follow-up, follow-up. Those are my 3 secrets. Thank you for sharing. God bless. See ya.